Hi everyone, this is Meeta and today I wanted to introduce my weekly inventory tracker. This is extremely easy to use and is great for restaurants, grocery stores, retailers, resellers, makers, wholesalers. So let's see how this works. The first tab is your inventory count by week, and over here you can record your cost per unit, your beginning balance of units, any purchases, any wastage in units, your stock in hand, and the units consumed gets automatically calculated over here. Next we come to the inventory value tab. Here everything is automatically calculated. You do not have to enter anything. You get to see what your inventory value is, the beginning balance value, the value of all your purchases, the wastage amount, your closing balance amount, and the amount consumed. You also get your weekly totals of all of your units as well as your year-to-date totals. You also get a total of what you consumed, what you purchased, and your total wastage. Then we come to the inventory value cumulative tab, and this is very neat because it shows you the cumulative values of every item. So say you had purchases of $5 in week 1 and wastage of $1. If you go to week 2, you'll see again there was another purchase of $5 and wastage of 50 cents, and now the cumulative shown in this pink row is that you have $10 of purchases for this item and $1.15 wastage for this item. And so on, you get to see it for every one of your items. Like say for item 2, you had purchases of 50 cents and the cumulative is 50 cents for the first week, and then if we move to the second week, you had another purchase of 50 cents and now you've got a total purchase of $1. I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment sections below. Please leave me your questions and comments. You can also reach me through my website moneyusage.com. Thank you again so much for watching, and I'll catch you on my next video.